So today I would like to introduce you to our newest condominium listing located at the Oak Ridge Condominiums, which is located in the northeast part of Ann Arbor. Now we're located less than 3 miles from downtown and very close to both the University of Michigan Hospital and the VA Hospital. Now this condo has everything. When you see the list of benefits, you're going to be absolutely amazed. 3,750 square feet, all remodeled and updated. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's an end unit, so you've got windows on the east, the west, and the south side of the building. It's got 3 fireplaces, 2 completely private patios. It's got a underground secured parking for 3 cars and for your storage. And one of the really unique features is that there is a separate entrance to the au pair unit, which would be ideal for your aging parent, for an au pair, or possibly even one of your kids. So let's come on in and let's take a look. As you walk into this unit, you will notice that the foyer is very grand. There's travertine floors. You'll notice that there's very distinctive moldings. You can pay attention to those details as you go through the property. There are lots of built-ins. And as you come into the foyer, to your right, you're going to have your living room and entertaining space. Over here to your left, you've got your formal dining room and the kitchen area. As we walk into the living room, it's a huge space and it's great for entertaining. I want you to pay attention to some of the details, like we've got beautiful hardwood floors. There's a tray ceiling. There's a fireplace with custom-built cabinets and bookcases. Off here to my left is a study with access also to a private patio and its own fireplace. As you walk through the living room, on the far end, there's a wall of windows that looks out over to the wooded area. And then off to the left again, there is access to the private patio. Now I want you to notice that if you notice the color, it's a very neutral, crisp color palette that's been used throughout the house, which really gives the property sort of a luxurious and sophisticated feel. You are absolutely going to love this totally private patio located off of the living room. There's a brand new tile floor on the patio. And the best part, look at this view. You've got this amazing view of the wooded setting. The custom chef's kitchen was updated recently, and you'll notice that there are white quartz countertops. You've got solid wood white cabinets. You've got a glass backsplash, Bosch appliances, and off straight in front of me here, we've got another private patio where you can do your al fresco dining. The master suite is huge. It's got a tray ceiling, you've got your own fireplaces. Here's the 3rd fireplace in the unit. And you'll notice that there are windows on 2 walls here. Now this is an end unit, so this condominium has got windows on the east, the west, and the south side of the unit. We're going into the bathroom, which is completely remodeled. You'll notice there's beautiful travertine floors, and we've got a Japanese soaking tub, and again, all quartz countertops and new cabinets.